Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at the step-by-step supply chain in the shipbuilding industry. What is the definition? The shipbuilding industry is a global network of businesses involved in the design, construction, assembly, and delivery of ships and marine vessels. It covers everything from cargo ships, tankers, and passenger liners to fishing boats, naval vessels, and specialized offshore platforms. What is the supply chain process? The process begins with raw materials. Steel, aluminum, and composite materials are produced, processed, and prepared to meet the standards required for ship construction. Next comes component manufacturing. Engines, navigation systems, safety equipment, and countless other parts are produced by specialized suppliers before being shipped to shipyards. At the shipyard, steel plates are cut, welded, and assembled into sections, which are joined to form the ship's hull and structure. Outfitting follows, including the installation of engines, electrical systems, piping, and interiors. Once construction is complete, vessels undergo sea trials to test performance, safety, and compliance with international regulations. Any adjustments are made before the ship is officially delivered to its owner. After delivery, ships enter service, transporting goods, passengers, or serving military and industrial purposes. Throughout the supply chain, strict quality control and safety checks are carried out. International certifications, inspections, and testing ensure vessels meet standards for durability, efficiency, and environmental responsibility. Thanks for watching. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.